Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to the STEM activity. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a big bar of fluffy soap out of this hardened bar of, like regular soap. So all you're going to need for this is a microwave safe plate, bar of soap obviously, and a microwave. So all you need to do is put your bar of soap in the center of the plate, stick it in the microwave, so it sits right in the middle, and do it for 2 minutes. Now as it's going, I'm going to explain what's going on. Inside of the bar of soap, there's tons and tons of air pockets. As you microwave the soap, the air pockets expand. And that allows the soap to basically fluff out and become a lot bigger. It's going to take a little bit before it shows the results. Step back so you can see the timer too. See, as you can see, it's starting to bubble out and fluff. Doesn't that look cool? Looks like almost squeezing one of those balls of slime, and you just see like the... Man, that looks really cool. And we're about halfway done. That looks so cool. It's a lot easier for me to see it. If you do it yourself, you'll be able to tell. Now, you're not getting more soap here. I mean, the volume is still the same. What's happening is just the soap is just expanding. It's fluffy. It's gonna be kind of a fluffy texture when I take it out. Another 10 seconds. But yeah, it's the same amount of soap. It's just really fluffy. It's just expanding. And you can smell it. Ooh. And the plate is gonna be pretty hot. Not horribly so. Depends on the type of plate you use. But the soap, yes, will be very hot. Let's see if it's hot. Too hot. Yeah, it's way too hot to touch. That's what this wax. But just to kind of show you, see now it's kind of a liquidy, fluffy texture. It doesn't really smell all that good. But there you go. You can make kind of like a fluffy soap paste out of this regular bar of soap just by sticking it in the microwave.